Hey everyone, my name is Deboo. I'm a physical therapist, and welcome to my Treat Your Own Shoulder class here on Udemy. I've been a physical therapist for 25 years, and I've taught a multitude of classes to large groups and small groups, and I've taught at the community college as well too. And I firmly believe that all of us have within us the ability to own and take care of our health. Sometimes we just need some help. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to evaluate your posture, how to perform range of motion, strengthen the exercises to hopefully return your shoulder back to full function and health. Because I understand every shoulder injury is different, this class is designed to help you decide which phase you're going to come in with the rehab. Phase 1, which means you have a really significantly painful shoulder. Phase 2, we're starting to get a little bit better, so the exercises change. In phase 3, which is more advanced rehab, where let's get you back to what you want to do, whether it's golf, tennis, being active, weight room, gym, whatever you need to do. I designed this class for those individuals who are highly motivated and want to take charge of their own health, but they're struggling with which type of exercises they should do, maybe how many, should it hurt, should it not hurt, and that's what this class is designed to do, is to clear up some of the confusion behind rehab. The benefits of this class include exactly which specific range of motion strengthening exercises I should do, how many I should do, and what I should expect. I encourage you to enroll in the class now. And the best thing about this is that you're not alone on this journey. You've got a qualified, experienced physical therapist that's going to be there every step of the way. If you have any questions, I guarantee you I will email you back and hopefully get this thing sorted out and clarify the best way I can. Also, I've got other resources online. I have a YouTube channel, The Front Row with Ed and Elizabeth, that has over 100 videos on a multitude of topics, including headaches, back pain, shoulder pain. You can check that out as well too. And let's get this thing started. Let's get your shoulder back.